Cracked shingles and tiles might look small, but in South Florida, they can turn into major damage fast. What cracked really means. Not every crack is an emergency. Some are normal aging from years of sun exposure, while others are warning signs that need attention right away. In South Florida, extreme UV rays, heat expansion, and strong winds all work together to break down roofing materials faster than in most places. So what actually causes cracks? The sun and heat make your roof expand during the day and cool at night. That constant movement weakens shingles and tiles over time. Then add high winds. They lift roofing edges just enough to create stress fractures you may not notice until much later. And of course, storms can break tiles outright. Here is the important part. Normal wear is usually cosmetic, like slight hairline cracks or surface fading. But critical cracks run deeper. Those allow water to slip underneath and reach the underlayment or decking. Once water gets in, it travels, and by the time you see stains inside, the damage underneath has already begun. What happens if you ignore it? Left untreated, cracked shingles and tiles can lead to leaks, wood rot, mold growth, and costly structural repairs. And in Florida's climate, that can escalate quickly, especially during rainy months. How the inspection and repair process works. When a professional inspects your roof, we check the tile or shingle surface, the seal underneath, the underlayment, flashing areas, and the decking. Repairs might be as simple as replacing individual tiles or sealing areas before more damage happens. The goal is always the same: stop water before it ever reaches the inside of your home. So if you spot cracked tiles or shingles, don't wait until a leak appears. A quick check now can prevent major repairs later. And if you need help, our team is here to make sure your home stays protected year-round. If you liked this video, please hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on how to protect your roof.